In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock guides on Canva. If you've used guides to line up text or images and they suddenly won't budge, it usually means they're locked. No worries. Unlocking them takes just a moment. Here's how to do it and what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Canva project where your guides are stuck. You need to be in the editor view, looking at your design canvas, not the home dashboard. Next, move to the very top left corner of the editor and open the File menu. This is where Canva keeps document-level options for the current design. From that menu, choose Settings. The Settings panel controls helpful toggles that affect how the canvas behaves. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Lock Guides. If it's turned on, either checked or toggled to the right, that's what's preventing the guides from moving. Click Lock Guides once to turn it off. When it's off, the check disappears or the toggle slides to the left. That's the entire unlock action. Return to your canvas and hover over a guide. Guides are the thin, colored lines that appear across the canvas. When your cursor touches one, it should change so you can drag it. If you can move the line up, down, or sideways, the unlock worked. You can now reposition guides, add new ones, or delete extras as you refine alignment. A quick note about guides: they never print or export with your design, so they're safe to use as visual helpers. Unlocking them doesn't alter any actual elements on the page. It only removes the restriction on those alignment lines so you can fine-tune placement. If a guide still won't move, double-check that you're actually grabbing the guide and not an element beneath it. Zooming in slightly can make it easier to select the line. Also, make sure you completed the change in the same project you're editing, since the setting applies per design. When you're done adjusting, you can keep guides unlocked if you plan to tweak layout frequently or return to File. Open Settings and turn Lock Guides back on to prevent accidental shifts. That way your alignment stays consistent while you continue designing. To recap, open your project, go to File, select Settings, and disable Lock Guides. With that simple toggle, your guides are free to move again, helping you align everything with precision. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep these steps handy the next time guides feel stuck, and enjoy a smoother, more controlled design workflow in Canva.